This time I'm going to do the bow, but I'm going to cheat it so it stays nicely firm. So you're going to take this, hold with one hand, and you're going to secure right here. Right here. Take this one. With one hand. This one is going to go over and you're going to secure. You're going to secure. Now, that piece that you have, you're going to bring it over. And tuck it in. And now, you have your bow for summer. And you can just, it's going to be time for me to cut my bangs. I have knotty sides, so if you have knotty side, to cut your bangs, because you want your bangs to be fluffy. Just tease it, tease it, tease it, tease it. And then you have your bow right here. So if you want this to be more defined, just do this. And you have your bow for this summer.